Hi, I'm David Tortellini, and I'd like to welcome you to my newest listing at 717 East 28th Street in Norfolk, Virginia. This is a 3-bed, 1.5-bath, 1,354 square foot home, and I'll be honest with you, it's a bit of a fixer-upper. So definitely a great property for an investor looking for maybe a long-term rental property, or for someone who's willing to put in a little bit of sweat equity into their home to get in at a great value. So I think you'll see when we go inside, just some work on the floors, maybe some updates in the kitchen would go a long, long way. All right, let's go inside and check it out.